You're looking at a 2016 Chevrolet Stingray Corvette. It's equipped with a 6.2-liter V8, 8-speed paddle shift with automatic modes, 241 limited slip rear axle. It has only 13,000 miles. Features include 2 LT preferred equipment group, magnetic selective ride control, performance data and video recorder, heads-up display with color readouts for street mode, track mode with G-meter, vehicle speed, engine RPM, performance exhaust, transparent removable roof panel, Chevy My-link 8-inch touchscreen with Bose advanced 10-speaker system with bass box, with Bluetooth, Sirius XM, navigation, and Apple CarPlay, including rear vision cameras and curb view cameras, leather seating, dual heated seats, and they are both power adjustable, cruise control with power tilt, remote start, keyless entry, Lamborghini style door hinges with the factory doors. This Corvette has very low miles and it's in near new condition. You have to see this Stingray. For more information about this vehicle, or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana.